Hi guys, I'm back. This is the second week our quarantine life, so I'm gonna do another video. Hopefully, we can share lots of experience, and I can share some of my tips with you guys what you can do at home. This week, I started reading books. I have so many books. I feel like I should have read years ago. I'm glad finally I started picking up those books. The first one I'm reading is this Maze Runner. I'm sure you guys watched the movie, right? I think it's a series and the film did pretty well. I actually got the book from the writer. Thank you, James Dashner. He gave the book to me at a Comic Con a couple years ago. I watched the movie. I haven't really read the book, so now I'm gonna get to it. Another book I like to start reading is this book. It's so inspiring. So if you guys know him, he's like one of the best tennis player. So it's good to read lots of inspiring book right now. Just keep that positivity in your mind. And then a couple other book I'm reading is Tina Fey's Bossy Pants. I suppose read this book a while ago. So now we're doing it. And another book I like to read is this Mindy Kaling's book. She's so funny. I like her, such a good writer. So besides that, I'm sure you guys are all doing lots of Netflix and chill. And comment down below what series you guys are watching on Netflix right now. I started watching this show called You. It's such a good writing. The story is very interesting. Another series I recommend you guys watch is called On My Block. We need to get more of those kind of story. It's based here, not based on true story, but it's story here in Los Angeles. We did lots of local LA story. I'm actually in one of episodes. Right now they have 2 seasons. You can binge watch the 2 seasons on Netflix. It's like a high school kids show, but it's really funny and it's actually a very deep story, So let me know how you guys think about this. I also comment down below what you guys are watching, and what other films you guys are watching. I know another movie everyone has been talking about is called Contagion. It's just so crazy how this film predicted what we are being through right now. And I know some other films about pandemic stuff. It's also like a hot trending films to watch right now. Just comment down below what you're watching. And another thing you guys can do is you can foster a pet. If you don't have a pet at home, of course you can spend time with your pet. Look how cute Poochie is. You guys probably don't know, Poochie got attacked by a dog at Hermosa Beach a couple weeks ago. The dog owner walked away. Well, hope karma will get to her one day. So I'm glad Poochie's doing much better. Thank God his wound totally recovered. He's happy because right now I spend time with Poochie 24/7 at home. I'm sure all the dogs are so happy right now because they're like, oh my gosh, now we get to spend time with our humans 24/7. I think someone's are happy, but we're trying to stay positive and stay happy and stay healthy. That's very important. So this week we're gonna still doing lots of home cooking. This is the best time to try all kinds of recipe right now. And then you can also do lots of home workout this week. You don't need any equipment. I know lots of you guys must miss going to the gym, but you can just be creative, work out at home, and just get yourself moving. This week we're gonna do a couple of different workout routines, and then you can also go online to check lots of tutorials. So of course we're gonna make sure eating healthy is also very important. So let's gives you more energy, and when you eat well you will feel better, trust me. So workout and eating healthy, the 2 things go together. And then this morning we're just gonna do some green juice. I know last week we did like ginger shots, and that wasn't A very successful tryout because I put way too much ginger in there, but it's okay. So green juice is gonna be good. I think I'm pretty good at making green juice right now. So we're gonna get to it. Okay, so let's make our green juice. I'm so glad I got this big pack of spinach. Since like lots of grocery store are kind of short of supplies right now, you can order from like Instacart. You can order, you know, from, I don't know, from Amazon, but Instacart definitely is a good way to get it. And then yes, take lots of vitamins and gummies. Keep your strong immune system going. Like for the green juice, I like to use almond milk. You can use coconut milk. You can use oats milk, whatever milk you like. Another thing I want to share with you guys is this flat tummy shakes. You can get this from Amazon. It's definitely a really good protein shake. Keeps you full, and this one is like a chocolate flavor. So I like to add this in my juice. Adds like extra protein in there. So first, you just need to put all those spinach in. Okay, you're gonna put the spinach in and then add those protein powder. And add the almond milk. If you don't want it too thick, just add some water, kind of. Well, we're gonna start blend this. It's gonna be really loud. Okay, I forgot to tell you guys before the breakfast. Another good way to kind of kickstart your digestive system is have this hot lemon water. It's kind of clean your system as well. So let's have this first. So now let's try our green juice. Oh, look how beautiful this is. You know what? This making me miss like matcha right now because see this green stuff. I think I'm gonna start making matcha at home as well. Cheers. It's actually really good. I think the protein powder make this green juice taste like less miserable because I have like chocolate flavor. Otherwise, if just spinach, I'm sure it's gonna be unbearable. But this is good. Our breakfast is done. By the way, I'm so glad I got apples. Remember last week I was like, oh, I didn't get apples, so that's very good to have right now. Like we said, 1 apple a day to keep the doctors away. Hope it's true. Anyway, so we are going to work out after this. It's time for cardio. You know, want to make sure you don't have like a heavy breakfast if you want to do lots of cardio. So this is like a 500. I mentioned last week I like to do like 100 jumping jacks, 100 jump ropes, and do like another 100 skater jump. This is like a skater jump I learned from those kind of like online tutorial. It's such a fun workout. Like it's kind of like cardio, and then but added a little bit more creativity in there as well. Just make sure don't push yourself too hard, and listen to your body, and then do a little bit jogging, kind of like back and forth, left and right jogging, since we don't have like all those kind of treadmill at home. So just use your own creativity, utilize your space, and then do any kinds of like workout you can do at home. And then if you have weights at home, you can also do a little bit weights training as well. So I'm sure lots of people have weights at home. And then so it's like good exercise you can start in the morning, keep your day going, and especially with cardio workout, kind of get your blood pumping, so you feel like you start to have more energy. And weight training is also good to keep your body, the muscles, get toned. um, you can do about 45 minutes or 30 minutes, doesn't matter. Since we have so much time at home right now, you can break down the exercise into different sessions. You feel like it's too much for you for one session. Skater jump, that's another exercise I like to end up with my every workout routine. Fried rice at home. Yay! We got a green onions and eggs and the rice and extra virgin oil. Yeah, make sure blend your eggs, and then you can add, some other stuff you like. You can add a shrimp. You can add, like this one is like a sausage. Some people add pineapple in their fried rice. Use those big pan to make our fried rice. And then first you're gonna put some virgin olive oil in our pan. Oh my gosh, I put a lot already. And then I like to make the eggs first. Wow. Look at this. Then you're gonna add some green onions in the egg and mix them up. Looks so pretty. I didn't know make fried rice can be so fun. And then you can add whatever ingredients you like. It's actually super fun. Now you can see the egg is kind of start to get cooked. We're gonna add our rice. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. So add rice in there. So this is gonna be quite a workout. We're gonna mix the rice with the eggs together and everything, pretty much. So, wow. It's so oily. I guess I put a little bit too much olive oil in there. But it's gonna be so good. Oh my gosh. This color is so pretty. Look at this. I don't know why I'm using this. I should use that spatula. Use spatula. Alright, so everything, just gotta mix them together. See, it's so easy to make. By the way, rice is gluten-free, if you guys don't know. So if you want to eat carbs, sometimes I will try to eat more rice instead of bread if I need carbs. So for those of you guys who always want to be gluten-free, I think the rice is a good substitute. It's like a good carbs. So pretty. Look at this. Alright. I think it's almost done. I'm just gonna put this cover on, let this rice shimmering for about like 2 minutes. No, like 1 minute, literally. And I think that's it. That's our fried rice. So easy, right? Look at this. This is our fried rice. Looks yum. Just eggs, green onions, and some sausage. Voila, you're done. Ta-da! Our fried rice is ready. I'm so proud of myself because I always like to order this at the restaurants. I barely make this at home. It looks as good as the one you can order from the restaurants. Guess my home cooking is gonna get so much better these 2 weeks. We're gonna try a different recipe. After lunch, I like take Poochie for long walk because every day you're supposed to walk like 12,000 steps. Anyway, you can just walk around in your neighborhood. I know we're not supposed to go like the crowded area. Make sure keep 6 feet apart. Okay, we are gonna make egg whites for dinner today. I know lots of people do this as breakfast. Like some people are like omelets for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I like my food diverse. I don't know about you guys, but egg whites actually it's very good. It's easy to make. You will need this egg white, of course, or like just use regular eggs. And I like to use this extra virgin olive oil, and of course you need spinach. Not of course you need spinach. You can put whatever you like on your omelets, like mushrooms, tomatoes, whatever you like. I have a secret I like to share is I like to put a little bit red cayenne peppers because I like spicy stuff. I don't know about you guys. First, let's get our egg white shake this well. Because you want to shake this liquid egg whites before you put it in. Otherwise, it won't be that good. Okay, let's go make our egg whites. I seasoned the spinach. I put like peppers and salt and red cayenne peppers on stove. And I put olive oil in. And we shake our egg whites very well. Then we can put our egg whites in there. Egg whites turn the color like this. You can start add the spinach. Just pour spinach on. How beautiful it is. I wish I had more tomatoes and a mushroom put it on. That'd be pretty good. But today I only have like spinach. It is what it is, but it still looks pretty good. Do we just flip it? Look, this is beautiful omelette there, right? See our egg whites omelette. I know it doesn't look so pretty, but I'm sure it's gonna be good. It tastes good. So you can literally do this under 5 minutes. See how easy to make a healthy meal at home. You want snacks between the meals, those organic apples and this all natural peanut butter. You can get it from Trader Joe. Make great snacks. It's so good. Make you full and tastes really good. Okay guys, those are my tips. Stay home, eat healthy and stay fit. Let me know what you guys like to do at home. There's so much you can do at home. You can spend time with your pet, cook at home, read a book, or do whatever makes you happy. I know this is a difficult time for all of us right now, especially for those who lost their jobs. My heart goes out for them. Let's stay positive, stay well. Love you guys.